Hello and welcome to Robotics and Games Club. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to complete practice number 1 of building level 1. So here you can see we're on level 1. I'm going to click on building. That takes me to the building quiz page and practice 1. So for practice 1, to move the parts I need to click on the orange dot and hold the mouse button down. This is the parts handle, so that's what we use to move the part. There's going to be a bunch of different dots on there. You want to focus on the orange dot and use that to move it. So move the mouse so the part is in the correct position and then release the mouse. So let's click on practice. Now again, as soon as I click on practice, the timer starts. So I click on practice. So this is the robot that I need to build, and I need to build it just like this. So question 1 of 1. Place the following parts. Now at this point I click on build, and that takes me to the robot building page, and it has these parts as the quiz for building the robot. So first key is D, and that went down here, and the A then goes here. Now a lot of these parts I lined up to various things that are in the screen. So A, if you would look at the previous picture, this red line and this black line is the upper left-hand corner, is very close to the upper left-hand corner of A. And then D is right adjacent to A. This motor is about that far from the center, so that actually this pink circle, that's actually the robot body, is just about touching the wheel. So this black part is the wheel. This is the motor. This is our port that we're going to connect things to. That's the handle. And so then I'm going to move this one over here, and there we go. And that's our robot. Now I click update here right in the middle, and it says update. Click on that, and that's going to take me back to the building practice results. So here I can see, here's the parts. It says the placement is good, the angle is good, and practice 1 is passed. So that's practice 1. Again, if we click on home and go back to building, you can see that it says practice 1 is passed.